Dumpster rental service Tulsa Metropolitan Area. If you're looking for a reliable and community-driven dumpster rental service in the Tulsa Metropolitan Area, Helping Cans LLC is your go-to provider. Offering professional waste management solutions for a variety of needs, whether it's a home cleanout, renovation, or construction project, Helping Cans LLC makes the entire process smooth and hassle-free. Their customer-focused approach ensures prompt and efficient service, allowing you to stay on track and within budget. Helping Cans LLC is known for more than just quality service. They are deeply committed to giving back to the community. A portion of every rental goes to local charities, allowing you to not only complete your project efficiently but also support meaningful causes in the region. Their service area covers not just Tulsa but also nearby areas, making it convenient for residents and businesses alike. Whether you need short-term or long-term waste disposal, Helping Cans LLC guarantees prompt delivery, professional service, and an easy booking process. For further inquiries or to schedule your dumpster rental, contact Helping Cans LLC at 918-216-0151 or visit their website. Let Helping Cans LLC take care of your waste disposal needs while you focus on your project, knowing that you're also helping to make a positive difference in the community.